Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a robot pool cleaner this year, you know the choices out there can be overwhelming, cordless, smart mapping, high suction. It's tough to know what actually works and what's just marketing. That's where this list comes in. I've tested and ranked the top 5 robotic pool cleaners that are making a real splash right now, from budget-friendly options to high-end powerhouses that do the dirty work for you. Whether you're prepping for summer, tired of manual cleaning, or just want crystal clear water with zero effort, I've got you covered. If you find something you need, I've dropped all the links in the description for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Seauto Crab Cordless. Starting off the list is the Seauto Crab Cordless, a compact, budget-friendly robotic pool cleaner designed to make pool maintenance simple and hassle-free. With a sleek crab-like design and tangle-free cordless operation, this little guy is built for ease of use and solid performance in small to medium-sized pools. The Crab uses a dual-drive motor system to navigate across the pool floor, climbing slight inclines and shifting direction when it meets an obstacle. It offers up to 90 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge and automatically parks near the wall when the battery is low, so retrieval is easy. While it doesn't scrub the walls or waterline, it gets the bottom impressively clean, picking up leaves, sand, and small debris with surprising efficiency. Setup is a breeze. No hoses, no cords, and no complicated programming. You simply charge it, drop it in, and let it do its thing. It also includes a floating retrieval hook, so you don't need to reach into the water to pull it out. At under 8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for anyone to manage, and its waterproof charging port makes recharging safe and fast. This cleaner is ideal for flat-bottom pools up to 861 square feet. It's best used for light to moderate debris and for pool owners who want something automated without spending a fortune. While it lacks app connectivity or scheduling, it makes up for it with pure plug-and-play convenience. Who's it for? Perfect for budget-conscious pool owners with smaller pools who want reliable, cordless cleaning without the bells and whistles. Bottom line, the Seauto Crab Cordless may be small, but it gets the job done. For a simple, portable, and affordable way to keep your pool floor spotless, this little robot earns its spot on the list. Number 4. WYBOT C2 Vision. Next up is the WYBOT C2 Vision, a cordless robotic pool cleaner that punches well above its weight with smart navigation and strong cleaning performance. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, up to 200 square feet, offering a stress-free way to keep your pool's floor clean and ready for a swim. The standout feature here is the intelligent gyroscopic path planning. Instead of bouncing around randomly like older models, the C2 Vision follows a calculated route to maximize efficiency and ensure full coverage. Whether your pool is rectangular or freeform, it adapts quickly and leaves no dead zones behind. Under the hood, it runs dual-drive motors paired with active scrubbing brushes, lifting debris like fine dirt, sand, and leaves with ease. Its powerful suction works quietly and consistently, and the 120-minute battery life means you don't have to babysit it during a cleaning cycle. When it's done or the battery runs low, it automatically stops near the pool wall for easy retrieval. Weighing just under 8 pounds, it's easy to lift out of the pool thanks to its floating handle and rapid water drain system. The filter tray is removable and washable, no expensive replacements needed. Charging takes around 3-4 hours via the included dock, and the IPX8 waterproof rating gives you peace of mind for repeated use. It may not have app controls or a fancy mapping interface, but for the price and simplicity, it delivers dependable results every time. Who's it for? Perfect for pool owners who want an affordable, efficient cleaner that's easy to use and doesn't rely on cords or complex setups. Bottom line, the WYBOT C2 Vision offers a smart, streamlined approach to pool cleaning. If you want hands-free maintenance with real cleaning power, this one's a strong pick in its class. Number 3. Aiper Scuba S1. Coming in at number 3 is the Aiper Scuba S1, a cordless robotic pool cleaner that stands out with its smart navigation, powerful suction, and super easy operation. Instead of bouncing around randomly like some older models, it uses Aiper's intelligent wave path navigation system. This zigzag cleaning pattern ensures every inch of your pool is covered efficiently, saving you both time and energy. It's designed for pools up to 600 square feet, making it a strong pick for medium to large backyards. What makes it even better is its dual-drive motors, which allow for smooth movement and tight turns. Combine that with a strong suction system and active scrubbing brushes, and this robot handles debris, sand, and even algae buildup like a pro. It's not just about the floor either. The Scuba S1 climbs walls and scrubs water lines with ease, giving your entire pool a top-to-bottom clean. Battery life is impressive at up to 150 minutes per charge, more than enough to clean most pools in one go. And when it's finished, it automatically parks by the wall, making retrieval easy. There's also a quick drain system that sheds water fast, so you're not lifting a heavy, water-filled unit. With the Aiper app, you get remote control and status updates right from your phone. It's completely cordless, compact, and hassle-free. No cables, no tangles, just drop it in and let it work. Who's it for? Great for pool owners who want a modern, powerful, and app-connected cleaning solution without dealing with cords or hoses. Bottom line, the Aiper Scuba S1 hits a sweet spot between price and performance. With smart navigation, solid runtime, and hands-off operation, it's one of the most well-rounded cordless pool cleaners available this year. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest pool cleaner reviews are coming your way, and no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. Taking the second spot is the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro, an ultra-premium robotic pool cleaner that blends smart navigation with serious scrubbing power. Designed for large in-ground pools, this machine comes with dual-drive motors, wall climbing ability, and advanced AI mapping that creates a cleaning route tailored to your specific pool shape and layout. It features quad brushes and dual filter baskets that allow it to capture everything from fine debris to leaves with ease. What sets the AquaSense 2 Pro apart is its intelligent path planning. It doesn't wander aimlessly. Instead, it efficiently covers every inch of your pool, including the walls and water line. You can customize its cleaning schedule and modes through the mobile app, which includes spot cleaning, deep clean, and energy-saving eco cycles. Battery life is also impressive. It runs wirelessly for up to 3.5 hours and charges via a magnetic dock that floats and finds its way back automatically. That means no messy cables and no lifting the cleaner out yourself. It's completely cordless and fully autonomous. Even the filter cleaning process is simplified, with top access compartments that rinse clean in seconds. Despite its high-end features, the setup is user-friendly. Just drop it in, tap the app, and let it do the rest. And with a sleek design and quiet operation, it doesn't just clean efficiently, it does so with style. Who's it for? Perfect for pool owners who want a fully cordless, intelligent cleaner for large pools and don't mind paying a little more for premium features. Bottom line, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro is one of the smartest, most powerful cordless pool cleaners on the market. If you want full control, max efficiency, and a set-it-and-forget-it experience, this one's hard to beat. And finally, my number one pick, Dolphin Explorer E50. A high-performance robotic pool cleaner that delivers deep cleaning, intelligent navigation, and unmatched reliability for medium to large in-ground pools. It's designed to tackle tough debris with precision, making it ideal for anyone who wants a spotless pool without the constant hassle of manual cleaning. The Explorer E50 uses Clever Clean's smart navigation to map your pool and clean in an efficient, systematic pattern. No more random movements. It covers the entire floor, walls, and waterline with precision. Its powerful, active scrubbing brush spins twice as fast as standard units, loosening stubborn dirt and algae before suctioning it away into the large top-load filter basket. With a 2.5-hour cleaning cycle and energy-efficient DC motors, it strikes a perfect balance between speed and sustainability. The included power supply features a weekly scheduler, so you can set it and forget it, letting the E50 handle your pool even when you're not around. The anti-tangle swivel cable ensures smooth movement without annoying snags, even in deeper or oddly shaped pools. At just under 20 pounds, it's easy to lift, rinse, and store, and the quick water release system makes post-cleanup effortless. Build quality is premium, and it's backed by Maytronic's reputation for durability and long-term service. Who's it for? It's perfect for pool owners who want a hands-off, highly effective cleaner with wall climbing capabilities and smart scheduling features. Bottom line, the Dolphin Explorer E50 is a powerhouse that delivers advanced automation, excellent cleaning coverage, and premium convenience, making it the ultimate choice for anyone serious about pool care. Also, no need to do extra research. I've dropped all the product links in the description to save you time. And that wraps up my countdown of the best robotic pool cleaners you can get this year. Whether you're cleaning up leaves, scrubbing stubborn algae, or just tired of manual vacuuming, this list proves there's a perfect fit for every kind of pool owner. From compact, cordless options to advanced wall climbing robots, each one brings something unique to the table. If you found something that fits your goals, I've dropped all the links in the description for you, no digging needed. So which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell more sharp. Honest pool cleaner reviews are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.